Howdy, friends. Corey Moser. Hey, I know a lot of you have been waiting for a while to have interest rates drop so that you can buy a home. And many of you are locked in at those 2.5% and 3% rates that were available during the pandemic. So that's why you're holding on to those rates. But here's some shocking news. Those interest rates most likely are not going to reach those levels again. That was a unique time during the pandemic, and it's very unlikely that rates are going to move to that level. And in the meantime, you've been watching home values continue to go up, waiting to see if there might be a good time to buy. Well, some good news is that inventory is now at some of the highest levels we've seen in years, which means things are shifting a little bit to you as a buyer. It's making it a little easier for you to find options, to actually go in without a bidding war, which was the case for the last several years. You can find a home, make an offer, and most likely have it accepted. Most of the homes on the market are sitting there for over 60 days before they receive an offer. So your sellers are going to be a little anxious to move that property. So things like asking for closing cost credits, or maybe some repairs on the home prior to purchasing it. Things that were not necessarily very common when it was a bidding war and people were outpacing the price for each home, and then not even willing to ask if they would give closing cost credits. Here's something that we just rolled out recently. It's a 5/1 ARM FHA loan. FHA loans only require 3.5% down, and that can be gifted from a family member or someone else. So that can help you if you're trying to get into a home and you're looking for something affordable. A 5/1 ARM is fixed for 5 years. And then the interest rate caps on it are that it can only go up or down 1% per year after the fixed rate period. So after those 5 years. We have some FHA ARMs. Those 5/1 ARMs are currently in the low 5% range. So that can provide you some very good payment savings as opposed to what's out there currently on a 30-year fixed rate, which is pushing closer to 7%. Reach out. I'd love to talk with you about options, see if we can find something affordable for you. Just know those interest rates most likely are not going to come down to those 2 and 3% levels. So if you can capture something in the fives, that's a great opportunity for you. And home values are stabilizing a little bit because of the inventory that's up, and you're more likely to find something that will fit your budget, fit your price range, put you in a place where you'll be happy and get closing cost concessions as well. Reach out. We'll talk to you soon.